Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well and doing safe. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys some affordable skincare products that really work. As I always said, don't buy a skincare product just by seeing a video. Try to understand what your skin actually need. If your skin really need these products, then only buy them. Otherwise don't buy just because a YouTuber or like I am showing in the video. It's not the correct way. And yeah, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. Let's go. For the cleanser, here I have the Dermadoc Anti-Acne Face Wash with salicylic acid. It will fight with acne-causing bacteria, it will exfoliate your skin, and it will also help in unclogging your pores. Now, this face wash is for normal to oily skin, though I have dry to combination skin type, but still I use this face wash for my acne, and it works amazingly. This face wash is free from sulfates, parabens, and mineral oils. For toner, I have these two options. First, we have this Afsa Halal face toner with rose extract for all skin types. And next we have the Good Vibes Plus Neroli Plus Petit Grain Skin Clarifying Plus Pore Cleansing Toner. I haven't tried any skincare product from Afsa Halal before, so I was really very excited, and trust me, it's so good and refreshing. It will refresh your skin instantly. At the same time, it will provide a little bit of cooling sensation. For the face serum, I have this NY Based Confident Glowing as Broadway Face Serum with vitamin C and vitamin B3. It also has glycolic acid, lactic acid, licorice extract, niacinamide, orange extract, yogurt, and a lot more other ingredients. This face serum will help you in providing that glowing, radiant skin by fading away all the dark spots, dark circles, and other pigmentations. Next we have this Good Vibes Cucumber and Lemon Under Eye Serum. Now I haven't tried any under eye serum before. I have tried under eye gel, under eye creams and stuffs like that, but never a serum. So I was quite excited. Now this under eye serum has lemon extract which will fade away dark circles. It also has cucumber which will provide that cooling sensation. It will remove under eye puffiness, and it will like instantly refresh your under eye area. For moisturizer, I have two options. As usual, my all-time favorite Via Ayurveda Kumkumadi Ultimate Radiance Face Cream, which is like my holy grail product. And second, I have this Good Vibes Green Tea Revitalizing Face Cream. मैं हमेशा ये Via की moisturizer use करती हूँ, so today I will be using this green tea face cream. Lastly, to moisturize my lips, I will be using this cute baby right here, and this is the Purple Childhood Besties Lip Balm with SPF, and this is the variant Rose 5. Moving on to the face scrub and face mask. For the face scrub, I have this Mama Earth Upton face scrub with turmeric and walnut for tan removal. यही एक प्रोडक्ट है जो कि थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा है 300 रुपीज़ से. अदरवाइज ऑल ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आर अंडर ₹300. I think I have showed this one in my weekly skincare routine as well. I love this face scrub, you guys. It removes my blackheads and whiteheads effortlessly. At the same time, it removes my suntan instantly. So if you are facing these same problems, then definitely this is something you have to get your hands on. If you have active acne or like sensitive skin, then I will not suggest you this face scrub. Now moving on to the face mask, I have two options. First we have this Alps Goodness Upton powder. Next I have this Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Glow Face Mask. So yeah, that's all. These are the few products that definitely you can get your hands on only if it's needed. And yeah, that's all. See you guys soon. Bye.